Yeah, so I'm just looking back and I remember I used to know somebody who down the years wanted to, establish a business. The person wanted something that they can be able to say, oh, like this is something solid that I'm doing, this is something, making me good returns and all that. Now, every time they ask this person, how far, what's the plan, what's the next move, those kind of things. And the person was always saying, yeah, I'm still looking for something less stressful. I don't want, even when you make suggestions to this person be like, no, I don't want this. I want something less stressful. I want something. So, and just now, I'm looking back, maybe 10 years now or more, and the person hasn't started anything. The person hasn't started any business. The person hasn't started like something, that they can hold on to and say, oh, this is something I was able to set up and all that. And it hits me. Same thing. If you look around, maybe your colleagues, your friends, 3 years down the line, 5 years down the line, maybe 10 years down the line, they used to sell you this big dream, lofty heights, those kind of things. And when it comes to taking action, they always pull back because they didn't want the stress, they didn't want to be stretched, they didn't, they don't want that pulling left and right, they don't want it, they just want things to go easy, and naturally nothing good comes easy. Even those things that, those people who come out and say, oh, they miraculously got a job, go back, look at those people who got those kind of jobs miraculously and watch them. They literally put in 2x of the kind of effort they used to put in at their former place to be able to maintain that new job. Go and check it. Like, there's nothing good that will come that won't stretch you. People say, oh, I want to be a HR specialist. They want to be the top. They want to be, at the peak there. But these people, if you ask them, what have you done? They don't want to do nothing. They just believe that just miraculously something can happen, something can be done. I'm here to tell you, in 2026, you have to be ready to work. You have to be ready to be stretched. Let me be honest with you. You have to be ready to be stretched. Nothing good is going to come to you if you don't put in some extra work, if you don't, stretch yourself a little bit, do something that you're not comfortable with to be able to get that good result that you're looking up to. If you are not able to do something like that, I can tell you 2026 is going to pass like every other year, and it's still going to be someday something's going to happen. Someday you can make 2026 your own year, or you can make it the same year like last year. The choice is yours. Are you ready to be stretched? If you are praying for a breakthrough, also ask God to give you the grace to be able to handle the stress that comes with it. You guys see the guys that are billionaires, and you think these guys just, they're just living on luxury. Everything is just, those guys are working hard. Their brain is thinking, racking up different things at the same time. Split seconds, they make decisions, quick decisions that make them money or they lose money from it. There's nothing good that comes easy. I just want you to know that. And yes, this message is not for everybody. If it concerns you, I want you to run with it. And until I come your way next time, I remain Joshua Oduwari.